Assalamu alaikum playgroup class. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is circle the first letter of each picture. Playgroup class, first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first picture is fish. This is a fish. The initial letter of fish is F. Sounds like F. F. Fish. F. Fish. So we will circle the letter F like this. The next picture is goat. This is a goat. The initial letter of goat is G. Sounds like G. G. Goat. G. Goat. So we will circle the letter G like this. The next picture is horse. This is a horse. The initial letter of horse is H. Sounds like H. H. Horse. H. Horse. So we will circle the letter H like this. The next picture is ice cream. This is an ice cream. The initial letter of ice cream is I. Sounds like E. E. Ice cream. E. Ice cream. Now we will circle the letter I like this. The last picture is jeep. This is a jeep. The initial letter of jeep is J. Sounds like J. J. Jeep. J. Jeep. So we will circle the letter J like this. Okay playgroup class, it is our today lesson. I hope you have understand it. Goodbye.